আসসালামু আলাইকুম। 11তম শিক্ষক নিবন্ধনের স্কুল পর্যায় 2 ইংরেজি অংশের সমাধান। No sooner dash then the student stand up. Had the teacher entered the class. 1971 was the year when Bangladesh came into being. Had I the wings of a bird, I would have flown in the sky. The man is too dishonest to speak the truth. It is many years since I met you. The old man walked slowly lest he should fail. কতই না বিস্ময়কর মানুষের জীবন। How strange man's life is. তার কোনো বন্ধু নেই বললেই চলে। He has a few friends. ভাই ভাই ঠাই ঠাই, brothers have parted. শিশুটি কাঁদতে কাঁদতে আমার কাছে এলো। The child came to me crying. তুমি কি কখনো কক্সবাজার গিয়েছো? তুমি কি কখনো কক্সবাজার গিয়েছো? Have you ever been to Coxsbazar? I wish I dash child again. Where? 2 and 2 makes 4. It is high time we dash our food habits changed. The headmaster alone with his colleague dash coming here today. It dash since morning. Has rained or has been raining. Birds fly dash in the sky. Birds fly dash in the sky at large. Tooth and nail means tried hard. Big bug means important person. The price of rice is increasing. The price of rice is increasing by leaps and bounds. Dila was too poor to buy a gift for Jim. এটা নেগেটিভ করতে হবে। And Dila was so poor that she could not buy a gift for Jim. Nobody wished to be unhappy. Interrogative. এটা ইন্টারোগেটিভ করতে হবে। এটা ইন্টারোগেটিভ হবে who wishes to be unhappy. Unemployment is a state for a man having no work to earn money. কমপ্লেক্স করতে হবে। Unemployment is a state for a man who has no work to earn money. Noun of the word simple is simple এর noun হচ্ছে simplicity. Find out the correct synonym of hazard. Hazard synonym হচ্ছে danger.